I'm walk on my family. Modest and the baddest here. My name is Tawanda Mundandore Kuberi, and the street name is Cyber. I'm representing Team Alligator, now Fire with legendary family. Education, I come from Gokwe, straight out of Gokwe. Kwama Joksi Gokwe Center. So I did my primary school, and I did my secondary in Chelele High School, and finished up in 2011. That's when my journey began. So far I've recorded about 20 songs. Yeah. It was like 2011 when I heard his instrumental called Blackout. Yeah, that's when I started to know him a lot. And Chifarama Wakes, itirwa zvaitwa zvaibuda se zvalaishuvirawo kuzoshanda nawo. Ndakaona challenge ngove the only doorway for me to be heard out there. It's my first time to work with JMP, and I felt like this is my moment, and I really have to work with him. So right now I gotta toss you with a freestyle. Listen. Ndipewo pekugara, don't buy stew, sturu yaparara, don't buy screw, the press on the carara, don't buy lu, ndukushuvira kurwara, don't buy flu, my injection mahara, don't buy Jew, jipe chikara, don't buy true, mamonya don't gara, don't buy crew, vakumana ndani nzara, don't buy stew. My DM, ndipe you on my dry mouth.